Hey y'all, I hope that you're having a great day. I have some exciting news about our 31 enrollment kits, and I wanted to share that with you, okay? So as I'm explaining our news, I want you to think about how 31 might can fit into your life, okay? We're all looking we have been, or we are right now, looking for that side gig, maybe just to make a little extra money, maybe to get out of the house for some girl time, and even online as well, having that fun connection online. Or you just love the 31 products so much that you want to be the first to know about everything and you want to get your hands on those. This 31 opportunity might be for you, or it may be for someone that you know, okay? So definitely share this with them, share me with them. Okay, so we have 3 enrollment options this summer through the end of July. This is 2020, okay? So we have our signature enrollment kit. That's our all-day, everyday kit. It's products, these products right here. You'll get them in the prints and the personalization that is shown. So this is our $99 signature enrollment kit. Okay, so that is enrollment option 1. Enrollment option 2, and this is where the news is. Okay, it is our 31 signature enrollment kit. Now it looks basically the same here, and you see the same price. That's because our custom signature enrollment kit is $99 now. It was $130, okay? So with this custom kit, you get to choose your own prints and your own personalization on those 3 items that gets personalized, okay? So what's the difference? Let me explain that again. The first kit is our signature kit. It's going to come just like this. You'll get all of these prints and the personalization here, okay, for $99. That's our signature kit. But you can get right now our custom kit. It was $130. Now it is $99. You're saving $31. But what's so great about this option is you get to choose your own prints. Your own prints, okay? That is so awesome. So it doesn't have to be this. You can choose whatever you want, whatever print you want. Your personalization, the items that you get to personalize, is going to be that close to home caddy. You'll also get to personalize the mini zipper pouch and also that large utility tote. So you're saving $31 and you get to choose your own prints and your own personalization. So honestly, right now in the month of July, this is what I would choose. I probably wouldn't choose this kit unless I just loved everything in this kit, which I do, but I like to be able to choose. We're women. We like to choose what we want, right? We want to choose our own prints and our own personalization. So this is the news. You get to choose your own prints and your own personalization in our custom kit, and now this month through the end of July, it is $99, okay? So that's options 1 and 2, our signature enrollment kit. Our custom enrollment kit is $99, and we also have a third option, and that is our summer social kit. So you can actually join 31 for $99. All 3 options are $99, but with this social kit, you're not going to get a kit of products, but you are going to get a $231 gift certificate to use, okay? And I have a whole separate video on that, and I will link it above. That way you can watch that video in detail and know all the ins and the outs about that. But this video, I definitely wanted to chat with you guys about that custom kit that you can get for $99 now, which is awesome. What I love too about the custom kit and the signature kit is both of these kits come with business supplies. So you're going to get a pack of catalogs, you're going to get fabric swatches, order forms, Hostess Insider flyers, you're going to get our Be the Give flyer, a Vista print flyer, and a pack of our summer catalogs. So the first 2 options come with those business supplies, which is really, really nice. And honestly, I like that deal because I like catalogs. People like catalogs, so I like that it comes with those, okay? So just some things to know. If you join 31 right now in the summer, we have our sunny days incentive going on right now. So if you submit $500 in personal volume or sales in 1 month this summer, then you're going to earn a 10% personal sales bonus. So as a consultant, we make 25% of what we sell, but if we earn our bonuses, then you get an extra 10%, which is really cool, okay? And at that $500 level this summer, that's easy. That's like 1 or 2 parties and you have earned that, okay? And then we also have a new consultant program called AMP Jumpstart. So if you submit $1,000 in personal volume in your sign up month plus the month following, then you earn our AMP Jumpstart. So each month it's something different. Right now, if you earn AMP Jumpstart in your Jumpstart period, then you get 3 months of a free website, which is almost that $50 value, which is really, really great. So what I like to say is when you're going to join 31, join early. Join early in the month. That way, for your Jumpstart period, you've got the month that you joined and then the following month to earn AMP Jumpstart, okay? So say if you join in July, you'll have until the end of August to earn AMP Jumpstart, which gives you a great, a bigger period, a time period to earn that, okay? So if you're considering the 31 opportunity, I would love to chat with you. I am an open book. You guys can ask me any questions. You can connect with me on Facebook. I'll link below my VIP group on Facebook so you can request to join. I'll ask you 2 questions. Just make sure that you answer those questions. And you can also let me know that you watched this video. And that way we can chat about it in our personal message. I will reply to you in a personal message on Facebook when you request to join my VIP group, okay? So just make sure that you check your message request folder or that other folder or that spam folder. Facebook tries to hide those messages if we're not friends. So definitely you'll have to know where to go to look. So so definitely check all those folders so you'll you will see my reply back to you. So I love this 31 business that has blessed my family more than I could ever tell. I've just it's just been a great, and I'm so glad that I took that chance on that $99 kit. Actually 7 years ago this month, this is my anniversary month. On July 12th is when I joined 31 7 years ago, and I really just wanted to take my little boy to Disney World. I wanted a little extra money. That was great, but I wanted to take my little boy to Disney World, and we couldn't afford to take him to Disney World and just take that money out of our savings account, because that was for those things that might happen. So I thought, if I can just make my $99 back, I'll be happy. But if I can make enough to take him to Disney World, then that's what I want to do. And that is what happened. And then my business has just continued to grow and grow and grow. And it was all because of that one leap of faith that I took with that 99 signature enrollment kit. And I'm so grateful that I did. And I love sharing the 31 opportunity and helping other ladies get their business off to a great start. So I'd love to chat with you guys. If you're interested in that 31 opportunity, definitely do it in July, and you get to choose your own prints and your own personalization, which is so fun. I'm so excited over that. So anyways, I just wanted to share that with you guys. Definitely reach out to me on Facebook and we can chat. Have a great day. Bye.